not in the late 1800s, but there's gold in them there hills. Though we might not be on the gold rush, we're going to create a gold rush. This cocktail was created at Milk and Honey, the late Sasha Petrosky, I believe by Sam Ross in the early 2000s, and this is a variation on an old-fashioned, but instead of it being stirred like a traditional old-fashioned, it needs to be shaken because it utilizes lemon juice, and also, like we did in a couple other episodes, honey syrup. So, let's get started. Need 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. Went ahead and just juiced them beforehand because I think it gets to be a pain in the neck when you're trying to make, you're trying to squeeze and all. It's just, no. Now, I need 1 ounce of honey syrup. And now I need 2 ounces of bourbon. I'm going to go with, well, it is the Gold Rush. Let's go Bullet Bourbon. Grab your ice. I'm going to shake this over 3 cubes. And I'm going to go ahead and take my glass and do 3 cubes with it. Mary, pop, give a shake. Grab the Hawthorne and double strainer because I saw what could have been a seed, so I want to make sure that's actually clear. Now double strain into your rocks glass. And this is a Gold Rush. Cheers. This is good. The honey leads, followed immediately by the lemon, and then you get the bourbon notes. You know, it basically goes honey lemon, like immediately. You get a little sweetness from the honey, then the lemon comes through, and then it goes right into the bourbon. It's a good cocktail. If you like the video, then please, you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, whatever. You know my socials, they're down below. You know, try to be personal YouTube page, all that fun stuff. Saturday nights, gaming, make a cocktail, heck, maybe even make one of these. Or just do some behind the scenes. Until next time, thank you for watching, and I'll be back real soon. This has been The Beginner's Bar.